right, it's Sunday and I'm back. I did have to go to Lowe's again. I need a fitting for the shower here. See, the line to turn it on is all the way up there, and it drips just a little bit from the fittings there, so I don't want all the water to come out of the barrel like when it's not in use, in between bookings or whatever. So I'm gonna put a valve in line right there so that you can turn it on and off right there instead of having to climb on a ladder, because that ladder's not going to be here. I'm taking the ladder home with me today, so I got to do that. So I had to go to Lowe's to get that, and then I got the wash basin sink in yesterday. There it is right there. I'll turn this around and show you going on. So this would be, there's a little rubber plug in the bottom. I'm going to put a bucket underneath to catch the water, and this comes off if you want to move it, and there's a bottle opener on it too. But yeah, this is the outdoor sink. I went and got this and filled it up. So this is the sink. See, you just I hooked it up there with the chains. I don't know that I like that. I think I want to build a platform for that to sit on above that. But that's a project for another time. Like a couple weeks from now. But this works. For now, this works. It's full. It's sealed. So I think it's good. You can wash dishes in here. I've got a grill brush and a scrub pad, and I have these other scrub pads, and then of course paper towels and the nifty paper towel holder I installed yesterday. But the plan for the rest of the day, because I have that, it's done now, right? Done. The plan for the rest of the day is I've got this is a shower curtain rod, but it's like oval, and it hangs from the ceiling. So I'm going to put this together and figure out how to hang this from the ceiling, because everybody keeps saying you can see through this thing, which, I mean, not really, but for those people who don't want people to see their butts, you'll have a shower curtain. And then I got to take all of this trash, all of that trash, all my tools up there, load them into the truck and take them home, because after today, this place is set, ready to go. Set and ready to go. All right, so I got this inline valve, so that's on. You'll need to turn it off when you're done with the shower, but when you want to take a shower, turn that on. You turn the gas valve on. I've got the batteries in there, right? And you're supposed to set this to minimum, this to minimum. You click the pump on, and you can see it lights up in there, and you can put it at maximum, right? Make the water hot, and by hot, this water, I mean, it's hot. It heats up this room, makes it feel like a sauna. Hot water, like barely can touch it hot water when it's on maximum. So, I mean, unless you like flaming hot showers, I would probably keep this on minimum and keep the water about halfway. Because, like I said, it's hot. It's hot. I feel the heat coming off, and it's steamy in here. Ooh, hot steamy shower outside when it's 90 degrees. Honestly, I wouldn't use this in the middle of the day. I would just not do the gas at all and just do the water. And to do that, you just turn off the gas valve. But yeah, we're all set. We're ready to go. Cool beans. That's awesome. You can see the little rain guard I put over top of the water pump. And then, like I said, when you're done with this, just turn you'll need two hands because it's tight, but yeah, just turn that. And if you want to use the water for something else, this is a quick disconnect. Just disconnect that and you can fill up whatever you want to fill up. Okay, so I got the shower curtain rod, well, it's an oval rod installed. Now, don't make fun of me. This wasn't really designed for this. See, the rod is supposed to mount to the wall like that, and then it mounts to the end here, right? but this is polycarbonate. It's plastic. It doesn't work like that. It won't work like that. And then it's supposed to mount to the roof, right, on one side, and well, I got a slanted roof. It's not flat. So let me turn this around. Here is what I did, right? It'll work. It'll work because this is supposed to be like that, and it's supposed to connect to the roof, but the roof needs to be flat, right? It needs to be flat, and the roof is not flat. And I didn't want to have to overly engineer this whole thing, so I just did it like this, and this is fine. It's fine. It'll work. It's connected to this support, right, which holds up this side, and then on this side it's connected to this little aluminum bar. So the shower curtain goes all the way. You have to put two shower curtains on here, one on this side and one on that side. And so it'll close right here, and it'll go all the way to here on this. So there'll be a little gap right here, but you know what? There's nothing but woods over there, so ain't nobody gonna see you. The road is down the hill. You can't even see the cars going on the road down the hill. No one will see you but the squirrels, and they don't really care what you look like. So anyways, let me turn the shower on. I'll show you how the water flows there. I think I want to get a longer shower line, right, so that you can just take it off, but we'll see. So turn this on here, and we'll flick the switch here, and that thing's going to try to light, right, the whole time. It's going to try to light. I think to just do cold water, you just have to unhook this right here, or you just put this on max, or it figures it out. I don't know. I'm new to this thing. Anywho, see, the water will go right on you here in between the shower curtains, and no one will see anything but your head. And if you care about them seeing your head in the shower, well, I don't know how to help you with that. Sorry, I'm just joking. But anywho, there's privacy. Like this is I'm 5'11", and this is shoulder height for me. So all you'll be able to see is my head sticking out over top of the shower ring, which is cool. Like if I was taking a shower in here, I probably wouldn't even use the shower curtain because I don't care. But for those that do, it's available. And then there's a bench here that you can put under there. And then that, I think I'm going to put on that side so that you can set your soap and stuff on, and washcloths right there, so it'll be right next to you. And then this I might put here. But whatever, you could put your towels on there, or you can take it and sit in the shower. Whatever, doesn't matter. However you want to do it. So this here, hopefully, is bear proof. Maybe cub proof. I know possums and squirrels and raccoons won't be able to get into it. But let me show you what I did. So right here's the latch. You can just pull this up. Right? And this seals on it pretty good. And it's mounted to the tree. There. And there. On these 2x4s. So, you know, it's not gonna go anywhere, I hope. We'll see. But it does seal up. And then you can just latch it. You kind of need both hands to latch it, but we'll see how that works. Other than that, I'm done. Done with this. I mean, there's more things that I would like to do. There's a couple more things that I don't need to do, just would like to do. And, you know, I want the rest of my Sunday. It's like almost 3 o'clock, and I want to go home, spend some time with the wife and kids. So I'm going to call it quits. I'm going to have to come out here this week, one of these days before Friday, and just make sure that everything's clean and everything's set up. I've got some more of these lights to put out, but I'm not going to do that today. I got the fire extinguisher mounted on the fire deck down there with the fire bowl, and then I got to take all this up and like that and that, and then all my tools are in the tent. I got to take them out of the tent, put them in the truck, and then then we'll be done. The outhouse is all ready to go. I got toilet paper roll holder right here, and bags for this. This is ready to go. It's got the cat litter in it and everything, ready to go. I gotta get this sawdust out of here from when I cut that. And then I got some hand and face and body wipes, so you can wipe your hands off after you get done, you know. But yeah, the sun shines through here nice. It's not hot. Feels good, actually. The breeze is blowing. Breeze is blowing very well. I did get a Vortex tornado fan, little table countertop fan for up there, and then a tower fan as well. So if the breeze isn't blowing, you can put the tower fan at the entrance and have it pull air through, and then put the little fan to blow on you. Plus there's the icy breeze up there, so that works. Like, it's cold. You need at least 2 bags of ice, and it'll last a couple hours, and then the breeze coming out of that, the chilled air is not so chilled. But it'll hold like 5 or 6 bags. You put like 5 or 6 bags, it should last most of the day. But it is a heat exchange, so it is pulling the cold out of the ice and putting back in warmer temperature water so it melts. But yeah, I got this nice mess right here to clean up and all this stuff to clean up. I need to install that, but I'm not going to do that this week. I'm going to do that another week. Probably going to take that back with me because there's no place to store it out here. But yeah, we done. Hope you like all the updates, and I hope you liked watching the progress on this. It's been an entire year to get this thing up and ready to go. Whole year, weekends, days off, money. I think I've got like $36,000 into this, and that's all cash money. There's like $16,000 for the property, and then another 16 or so thousand dollars for all of that stuff. Stuff's not cheap, man. Like the outdoor shower, that thing's like $200. A thing of propane, just a 25-pound tank of propane's $50. Oh yeah, if you need propane, go to Walmart and get it because it's $50. Don't go to Lowe's or Home Depot because it's like $67. For the Blue Rhino, same thing. And they even have a cool electronic self-checkout kiosk outside for the propane at Walmart. So that's what I got today. I need to get 2 more of those. I just didn't feel like spending another $100 on some propane. I just have the small propane for the outdoor kitchen over there, and then the big propane tank. You can just take it back and forth between the fire pit and the shower. This time of year, you probably would just put it at the fire pit because it's warm out here, and that water that is sitting in that rain catch barrel is about 65-70 degrees, so it's not like it's cold. It's nice and cool actually, so it would feel good to take a cool shower on a day like today. But yeah, let me get all this junk back in my truck and get this place cleaned up, and I'm gonna go home, and I'll come back next week or this week and just straighten everything up. I'll take some really good pictures and take a little bit of a video, give you a full tour of the glampsite. It's not dark, hopefully. And then after that, you know, we'll keep you updated on future projects, and also we'll start exploring the Uwharrie Mountains and everything that it has to offer, because there's a lot of stuff. There's gold mines, there's tiger preserves, like I already said, there's the zoo. You can go kayaking, canoeing, fishing, hiking, running, swimming, biking, horseback riding, all that stuff within 30 minutes of here. So that's why this is here, so that you can enjoy the great outdoors. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. I do post videos weekly, shorts and things like that, so let's see what happens.